Hi, I'm John from Toyota Tech AI. Have you ever started your Toyota Camry in the morning and heard a clicking noise? Many drivers immediately think their engine is damaged. But wait, is it really a serious problem? Or is your engine trying to tell you something simple? Today, I'll show you what this sound means, when it's normal, and when you should be worried. Wah. A clicking noise during a cold start is something many Toyota owners experience. Sometimes the sound lasts only a few seconds and then disappears. But understanding why it happens is the most important step before replacing any parts. One of the first things to check is your engine oil. Engine oil is not only for lubrication, it also helps create the correct oil pressure needed for important engine components. If the oil level is low, don't just add oil and forget about it. Find out why the oil level dropped. The engine could be consuming oil, or there could be an oil leak that needs attention. The condition of the engine oil is also very important. Old or dirty oil can lose some of its ability to protect moving parts. It can also affect how quickly oil reaches certain components during a cold start. Always use the correct oil viscosity for your engine according to the manufacturer's recommendation. The oil filter is another important part that many people ignore. A good quality original oil filter helps maintain proper oil flow. And remember, the oil filter should be replaced every time you change your engine oil. Another possible reason for a cold start clicking noise is the VVT-i system. This system helps control engine timing for better performance and efficiency. If the VVT-i actuator does not receive proper oil pressure during startup, a clicking or rattling sound may happen for a short time. But this does not always mean the VVT-i actuator is damaged. Replacing expensive parts without proper diagnosis can waste your money. Always find the real cause before replacing any component. In most cases, a short clicking noise during a cold start is not something to panic about. But if the noise becomes louder, lasts longer, or gets worse over time, do not ignore it. To reduce cold start noises, always use the correct engine oil recommended by the manufacturer. And replace the oil filter every time you change your engine oil. Never ignore unusual engine sounds. Remember, proper diagnosis always comes first. I'm John from Toyota Tech AI. See you in the next video.